Hello and welcome to the first video of the series for SQL injection from Web Security Academy. What are we going to do in all the series? Well, in the series, we're going to go through all of the labs and try to solve them, understand what we're doing, discuss the solution, and be better at SQL injections. So without further ado, let's get started. What do we have here? So in the first lab, we need to find and exploit an SQL injection vulnerability in a where clause, and we can just go ahead and access the lab. Need a little bit of patience. Perfect. So according to the description, if we go to gifts, at the moment we only see the gifts which are released. So the list is filtered for us, and we need to find a way to unfilter this. We need to find a way to see more GIFs. Yeah, I don't like these GIFs. I want new ones. So how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to use burp suite to do this. And let me just copy the URL from here and then open burp suite. So I open burp suite, and one thing which is really good in the newer version is you already have a browser that is configured to proxy all of the traffic from that we do in this browser through burp suite. So you don't need to install different browsers to make the proxy configurations. You can just use the built-in browser. So I have this open. I just hit open browser, and I already pasted our URL right here. So let's activate the interceptor and refresh this page right here. And now we see we have category GIFs, and we need to find a way to change this. We need to find a way that we send to the server here in the category, that we send something that allows us to see more than than the GIFs which are released. So how do we do that? Well, the idea is that we should try here and make it or build the query, build the request that we're sending to the database and to the server in such a way that it will ignore or neglect, or actually ignore parts of the query and, well, show us a little bit more. And we do that by tricking the server into thinking that we have some comments that up until this point right here. So we have the gifts, and if we do these two lines, these are in general, they represent comments for an SQL database. So if we do single quote and minus minus, we should tell the server at the moment, we do apply and then we do forward. This should tell to the server that well, we have some comments there, but this did not work. We have a protocol error right here, and one reason behind this is, or may be, due to the fact that when we did our semicolon right here, the browser didn't see it correctly or didn't interpret it correctly. So let's see if we add it here. How would the browser interpret it? Just need to forward this. So as you can see, we would need to do like this. So okay, we do like that, then minus minus, and now we do apply changes and forward. And this worked a little bit better. So it's not what we wanted, but it did show us that we have not only the GIFs, but we have the GIFs and something else. Good. Now we can and we will tweak this part right here. So let's go back, put the interpreter on, the interceptor on, and How will we change this? So we have our first part. So we have the gifts, and now we need to enter something that, like I said, will trick it a little bit and will let us see more than we want. And one standard way to do this is to have to build up the query, or to split the query into two parts. So we do gifts. So to show, we want to see all the gifts, and we tell it or something that is a universal truth, or 1 equals 1. So we have something, or something that is always true, and then we add the comments. We click apply. It changed our format right here. We do now forward again. Just wait a little bit. Let's see. And that actually did the trick. So by telling it to show, so you can see we have now not only these ugly gifs, we have a couple more which are well, dangerous, but even these dangerous ones helped us solve the task. So there you have it. This is how we did, or how we can solve the SQL injection vulnerability. This was only the first video. If you have questions, don't hesitate to comment. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the button, subscribe, and if you like it a lot, I will see you in the next one. As always, have a good one, and bye bye.